In this video, we want to preview the European Central Bank monetary policy decision tomorrow. We'll start off by looking at a daily chart of the euro against the US dollar. Tomorrow, the ECB is expected to announce the details of its asset purchase program. It is expected the ECB will eventually purchase at least 700 billion euro of asset-backed securities and covered bonds. In a recent video, we took a look at some extension retracement lines and saw that this 126.25 area was going to be a target. We took a look at this a couple weeks ago. In fact, 126.25 was a major target, and the market reached it yesterday, September 30th. To provide evidence and show you how this in fact was a major target, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change this from a daily chart to let's look at a 15-minute chart and see exactly what happened yesterday when we reached this level. When we see what happened yesterday, this would be the 126. Let's go ahead and draw a horizontal line to show exactly what happened. This would be the 126.25 area right about here. So we saw that there was a major push lower and then a bunch of stops were hit. In fact, we can say that about 25 or so pips worth of stops were hit, and then the market moved further lower to the 125.70 area before moving higher. So there was a major move lower ahead of the ECB rate meeting tomorrow. So this is proof positive that our call about 126.25 was the correct call, because markets obviously had stops below that level. We'll go ahead and look at this euro against the US dollar on a weekly chart. We can see this important 127.25 level right here. That is a key retracement line, and we can see this week's high is just below that area. So clearly that is providing some technical resistance for the euro right now. When we draw some extension retracement levels related to the high in late June or early July, we see this 124.93 level coming in here. So that represents some important downside target, an important downside price objective for the euro against the dollar. Finally, when we look at the monthly charts here, we can see something similar. We see this 124.94 level, just like the level we just talked about, as an important retracement level. That is related to the low from July 2012 up through the high of June or July 2014. So we've come off basically from the 139 handle all the way down to the 126 handle over the past 5 or 6 months. It's been a very quick descent. Let's go ahead and finish up here by taking a look at some more downside price activity and objectives. We see a red downtrend line here that was very supportive of the euro on this monthly chart during the month of September. Of course, underneath here, we just talked about the 124.94 area. And if we get too far below, we may have a test of this 121.32 area. We also have a couple uptrend lines here to contend with. So all eyes are on the ECB tomorrow. Let's see if the euro continues its march lower and meets our next price objective of 124.95 area. Thank you.